My computer is a 10-year-old machine, still using an Intel i5 processor, making it difficult to deploy AI locally because it's very computationally expensive. However, as a tech enthusiast, how can I give up? Luckily, today we have AI. Just chatting with it and copying and pasting, we can accomplish almost anything. So today, I'm going to try deploying AI on my own old computer. So let's go. First of all, I told AI that my computer is pretty slow, but I want to set up an AI locally. Please walk me through the process step by step, and feel free to ask me a few questions first before getting started. Then I answered some of the questions the AI asked. Next, I followed the AI's instructions to carry out the task. Ollama's icon is really cute. It's a llama, and its homepage is linked to OpenClaw. I'm in China, so I have to use a VPN to download Ollama. After installing Ollama, it's time to install an AI large model. I Doubao selected a Queen or 前问 model for me. I was planning to build a UI system, but I ran into an error. Since it wasn't a core feature anyway, I decided to give it up. Then I realized my C drive was full, all because of this llama. So I asked Doubao how to fix it, and finally I succeeded. But this model isn't as powerful as I thought it would be. It's too weak. Sometimes it even refuses to answer very basic questions I ask, especially when it comes to topics like the Chinese Communist Party or Xi Jinping. This is also related to the fact that his very first response was that Taiwan is a part of China, and that Nixon refused to establish diplomatic relations with Taiwan. This shows that China's AI is subject to very broad restrictions, whether it's AI connected to the internet via websites or local AI. As long as it's Chinese, it faces numerous limitations.